Hello, GFX, my beautiful, beautiful community of great traders. Right, I want to show you this trade from yesterday. It was about 5 o'clock, right? My wife was in hospital with her father. Normally, I'm not really on the charts at 5 o'clock, but I was waiting for this setup, and I want to show you a couple of things, right? Because this happened 3 times, all right? So number one, clone. Okay, there's the London trade. Okay. Then we've got here, right? So a little bit more of a stop loss, but we got the same trade here. Did it hit? It didn't quite make 2R, but then this one did, right? And I want to highlight the importance of the section in this focus group that I think a lot of you may or may not be overlooking. I think you might be overlooking some of this, right? So let's just drag this part of my Discord in here, right? Let's just drag this in here. Right, now, what is the most important, what's so great about this channel, right? There's loads of tutorials, there's loads of screen examples here, but if you look at this one specifically, right? And then you look at the setup right here, right? Look at this setup where we're looking at this 15-minute fair value gap, which is just holding all day, right? Look at this setup here. It's pretty much the same thing. And what happened late on? New York Stock Exchange, okay, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but once it kept coming down, it's taking the liquidity, and then it fucking rocket. So when I'm looking at this area here and I'm thinking to myself, what's going to happen? We can't close, 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 still can't close. What's going to happen? Well, an explosion, right? And then on top of that, this trade, I said to you yesterday, this trade's going to go to the weekly, last week's open, right? That would have been a nice 5.5 hour trade for me. If I'd held it, but I'm a pussy and I don't have the fucking balls to hold, especially not gold, because it could have come and tapped me out and I would have been a little bit more annoyed. It's actually run on for 12.5 hour, right? Now, on top of that, why is this, you know, I've given you all of the information for these entry examples. They're all in the Discord channel. Every morning, if you're following this focus group properly, you're going to be looking at the trades in the morning. Just look through some of the screenshots, the best trades. Try and find something that is identical or virtually identical to what I'm trying to teach, right? Because this strategy is fucking smoking. I'm not even joking, right? I've never created a strategy this good, and it's all well and good getting all, you know, super excited about it. This hit take profit in 1 5-minute candle. It was 4 minutes to take profit, right? Here's the fair value gap created. Okay, it's actually here. So let's take a look. It's 1 hour. Okay, it's just created here. Price moves up into London. Price comes back down. But what's this candle here? This is the candle that. So we're trying to identify the bitch candle, right? This one here is not the bitch candle. This one's not the bitch candle. No, this one is, sorry. This one is not the bitch candle. It didn't purge in here, okay? It's not out of time, but it didn't, this candle here didn't break the high either, right? So there wouldn't be an entry on it anyway. When it comes down here, purges, it takes the liquidity from the lows, right? So it comes down, takes the liquidity. This one doesn't take liquidity, this one does. And then 1, 2, flip, right? But what am I telling you to add the confluences together, right? So this was the candle here where the 5-minute did give a confirmation, but it didn't really take the liquidity, okay? This one here is a 15-minute candle flip. And what have we got? Why have we got added confluences here? Well, we've got reversal wicks. Okay, so what have we got? We've got confluences. We've got 5-minute doji. We've got reversal wicks. We've got 15-minute candle flip. we've got a rejection of the fair value gap. We've also got the bitch candle, high, 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 explosion. It explodes. It actually explodes. Look at it. It may or may not have been news involved here. I don't know. I don't really give a shit. If it was trading it on personal account, I would have traded it. QT have stupid rules, but this here, look at it. Look at the shape of those wicks. Down they come, up they go. Okay, it's a V shape. You've got no bitch candle. It's not a bitch candle. This is the bitch candle because it comes down, takes the liquidity, closes above. So we've got a closure above the fair value gap. There's another confluence. 1, 2, okay, 3 candles, all open and close above the fair value gap. This one could have tagged you in, but it's still, you still would have been okay. And then boom, away it goes. This trade now running for 4.5 hour, 4.5 hour, and I can't see it stopping. It would just keep going and going and going. So I'm a little bit annoyed that I'm not trading. I did take a trade last night. I'll post my review card shortly, but I was still awake at the open, and I ended up taking a trade that hit my 2R on my EA account. So yeah, this video, a lot of adrenaline and a lot of passion in this video about this strategy, but I really do think this strategy is the fucking it's the dog's bollocks. I've never ever traded anything as good as this strategy, and I've been trading a long time. I've tried all sorts of things, but if you just add all of the confluences together, you can catch these trades. What I wanted to show you, obviously, was all the information is in here, right? So let's just go back again. You may be getting fed up of me talking now. That price action there, this is it. It's the same. It's the same thing. It's the same trade. It's the same fucking thing, right? So if you look through here in the morning, you're gonna see the same trade over and over and over again. You've got very similar here. Here we go. Right. So the price comes down. This is this morning. Comes down in the fair value gap. We've got the doji. We've got the wick moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, and it doesn't quite explode, but it does the same thing, right? So yeah, pay attention to this room. Same thing here. Price comes down, flips, and then explodes. Opposites. Here's another one. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so price comes down into the fair value gap. Price starts to move up. This is a bit of a dog shit candle here, but it still goes, right? So if you're lining up all these confluences, you're going to be able to catch these trades and then get your 2R in what? 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It doesn't matter as long as you get that 2R.